We are looking at our next winter storm beginning to approach the area as we go into tonight and tomorrow. So the good news is today, this morning, your roads are fine, just like they're showing here from our Skycam in Frankenmuth. But here's the weather story. Quiet weather today, just clouds expected. Snow will hold off until after 8 o'clock tonight. And I think during the overnight hours, we can expect an inch or two, especially along the Interstate 69 corridor, and that could give us some issues for tomorrow morning's commute. And by the time this all wraps up, I think an inch or two possible for the Tri-Cities, and 2 to 4 inches, maybe an isolated amount, a little higher than that once you get south of I-69. As the storm system stays to our south, so will the heavier snowfall. So it's not going to be a major headache for us, but it will create some slick roads for our area once again heading into tonight and tomorrow. Clouds now starting to approach from the south, and they will continue to keep us mostly cloudy today, so I'm not anticipating a lot of sunshine, but those clouds have kept us slightly warmer this morning than where we were at this time yesterday morning, with all of us 5 to 15 degrees below zero. Well, now we're 10 above in Essexville, still near zero in Lapeer and Corunna, 3 in Reese, 8 in Bad Axe, 6 in West Branch, 1 the current temperature in Beaverton, so still below average. We average in the upper teens this time of year for overnight lows, and average high temperatures are around 30 to 31 degrees. I think 24 to 25 is all we'll be able to do today because of the clouds that will continue to move into the area. So again, not a big deal, not an issue for us at all today, but watch how FUTURECAST changes things up significantly for us overnight tonight into tomorrow. This is 8 o'clock tonight. Stop it right there. There's the snow just now starting to move into southern lower Michigan, and I think it'll stay mainly south of I-69. But after 8 o'clock, it will creep all the way up into the Tri-Cities, even central sections of the Thumb. By midnight, we're starting to see the light snow band move through. Notice the darker blue still south of I-69. That indicates the heavier snowfall. That begins to move up all the way into the Tri-Cities by the time we head to 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it will be snowing at this time tomorrow morning and lasting all the way even through the 8 o'clock time frame, as we're still looking at the darker blues overhead, indicating some more moderate snowfall. And again, the heaviest will stay along and south of the Tri-Cities. And then by noon, we'll start to see it really tapering off. Notice the back edge at 12 tomorrow, showing that we'll see it around the 127 corridor. And then by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we're all clear from the snow, not left with any other headaches from it. So how much can you expect? Well, we talked about it, a general 1 to 2, maybe an isolated 3-inch amount around the Tri-Cities, but I think the 3-inch amounts are going to be closer to the Interstate 69 corridor. You do not want to focus necessarily on the exact numbers, but just notice the trend, lower to the north, higher to the south, with most of us staying into the 1 to 2 or 2 to 3-inch territory as we head into the afternoon and evening. So we'll keep you posted. Ty Shesky will be in tonight, our chief meteorologist. He'll have an update with newer data that'll come in, and maybe there may be some adjustments to the snowfall totals, but we're pretty confident that this will be a low-end impact event for us. And as we go into your weekend, we'll start to watch for a few more snow showers or flurries, but temperatures stay cold and below average, Joel, all the way into the weekend.